guys, working on these floor mats. So these are from the Corolla. Now I've already done 3 of them off camera, but I figured I'd do the 4th one on camera, which is the worst. So you can see they came out pretty good. The backs look almost perfect. The passenger side is a little faded, but otherwise not bad. I think the driver's side one is going to end up being replaced. Like, it's going to have to be replaced. There's no way it's going to ever look good. But I thought this could be a fun one to try out a chemical and see how it works. So what I'm using is Fabric Clean Plus, which is a Cleantle product. And it says that it is good 1 to 1 all the way to 1 to 10, 1 to 30 with an extraction vacuum, hand wash. Best diluted with water at a temperature of 30 to 60 degrees. My assumption is that's Celsius. So 30 would be 86 and 60 would be like 140. We're going to start off, first thing you always want to do is vacuum it. So I've got my Milwaukee vacuum here. This is an attachment from Obsessed Garage. It's just a, like a spinning wheel. So. And then over there I have my Mighty extractor and the spray wand, as well as this bottle of Fabric Clean. This just has a sprayer on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this wet, and then we'll spray on the chemical. So it's pretty wet, and let's do exactly what my dilution is. That's straight, so I'm probably in the 1 to 5 to 1 to 10 range. Let's see what this does. This is not normally a mat that you would try to clean. I would just replace this, and I still may, even if you replace it with like some sort of aftermarket mat. A couple different ways. Now the Fabric Clean smells really good. It actually smells a lot like Kosh Chemi Fresh Up, if you've ever smelled that. It's got a fresh laundry scent. So let's try the extractor and see what we pull out of it. I think we've actually created a pretty good A to B here. If you take a look at this side versus this side, and this side I didn't do, this side I did do. And yeah, I mean, it actually did a pretty excellent job. Smells good. Yeah. Pretty cool. So I'll work on the rest of this, but like I said, this is going to get thrown out. It's just more good for the video. Honestly, not too bad. Surprised I'm able to get it that good. If it wasn't for all these pulls and extra fabric and everything, this might actually be savable. Like I said, it did a really good job on the passenger side, which kind of looked similar. A couple little black dots that I wasn't able to get out that are like probably burn marks or something like that, but otherwise pretty good. So one last thing, let's try out. I have here on the seat, there's a dark spot here. Here's a ripping rag. So spray a little bit on there. Should work really well. Yeah, so the stain's gone. Looks like I'm gonna have to do the whole seat because I've got a nice clean spot here where I just did. But yeah, this works really well. This is a pictogram-free product, no pictograms, maximum safety. So, you know, obviously it helps that it's effective, and many other chemicals are, but you know, when you're done, you're gonna go sit on the seat and your skin's going to touch it. And you know, anything that's touching your skin gets absorbed by your skin. So I think it's great that we have some products that are safe for humans to touch, and maybe we don't have to worry as much. That worked really well. You can see the seat. I would say the thing with a cleaner like this is you might end up with a clean spot. Kind of like if you have carpet in your house and you know somebody drops something, or you know a dog has an accident or something along those lines, and you clean that section of the carpet, sometimes you get like a clean spot around that. So it almost did such a good job that, well, it did such a good job in that one spot that I had to do the whole seat. But I think this is really where Cleantle's products shine, the interior stuff, because they're safe, because they're pictogram free, because these are products that are, you know, maximum surface and user safety. So another one that I really like I mentioned before, their soaps were just okay, but the interior stuff was really good. So anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.